Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my super simple and very realistic makeup routine. It uses 5 products that don't require extra brushes or tools, which makes it very easy and effective. In this video, I want to share some products from 2 new brands I've discovered and have fallen in love with. It's so important for me to be conscious of what I allow to sit on my skin. We don't want to use anything that may clog pores or cause breakouts. It's amazing to find companies who are releasing innovative products with high standards for our skin while remaining clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Kosas is a makeup brand that 2 weeks ago I had never heard of, and today I am proudly a stan. Anywhere you find Kosas, you will see their slogan, "Makeup for skincare freaks." The Revealer Concealer is one of their best-selling products, and for good reason. Some benefits and ingredients include caffeine and pink algae to brighten the skin, arnica and provitamin B5 to soothe the skin, and peptides and hyaluronic acid to plump the skin. If concealer is going to sit on our face almost all day, why not make it beneficial? I love that this concealer really does feel like eye cream. It's so soft and velvety, like the perfect moisturizer. And if I'm being completely transparent, this is the first concealer I've found that has ever truly matched my skin tone as well as my undertones, and that's amazing. This looks so beautiful in person. Like looking in the mirror in the sunlight, I know it looks really nice on camera, but it looks really nice in person too. Moving on with eyebrows, I found personally that I prefer something simple and light. After the first gel has dried down, I brush over my hairs with a brown brow gel. The soap brow look isn't for everyone, but I personally think it is beautiful and it's so quick and it's fun. It's always fun to switch up your makeup techniques. But I did notice with doing this, by separating the eyebrows, it makes them look a little bit lighter. So this is why I prefer to go in with a kind of darker brow gel just to emphasize and really give it a nice full shape so that it frames my face better. My absolute favorite part with this technique is that you can really see each individual brow hair. I think it is so stunning. Tower 28 has easily become one of my favorite makeup brands to date. With only a small array of products, each one is designed with sensitive skin in mind. I've only tried 2 of their products and I am blown away. Their blush is some of the most pigmented and glowy products I've ever tried. It sits so comfortably on the skin and doesn't feel like makeup at all. My favorite part is how easy it is to build up or sheer down. You can tell from the model's example on the website. I genuinely believe their entire blush range will show up on any skin tone. It is so easy to build and so beautiful. I learned this trick from Alexandra and Neely here on YouTube, and it has been so useful to cover up blemishes under blush. And you're able to use this trick with bronzer, any kind of cream product especially. It is so simple to just mix in a bit of concealer, and it really does make the world of a difference. The way this product looks and feels, it is easily a favorite. I really recommend. I recently started using my blush in the crease of my eye as well as on my lips, and it is such a game changer. I love the way that it connects the color to different points of your face and makes the whole look so seamless and complete. For today's look, I really wanted to embrace having soft, natural looking lashes, And by far the most natural looking mascara I've ever used is from Glossier. It's a mascara that's main perk is separation, and because of that you are able to lengthen it and keep it looking very soft and very, very natural. If you're someone who enjoys faux freckles or maybe wants to try them out, this is by far my favorite way to do it. It always gives the most natural looking freckles, and they're so cute. Alright y'all, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that this video helped you in some kind of way because it was so much fun for me to make. And in the words of skincare guru James Welsh, we are all about progression over perfection. Keep that in mind, guys. Please stay safe and I'll see you soon.